If your ONEPWR blade cordless vacuum is not picking up like it used to, turn it off, remove the battery, and check for clogs. Take off the dirt cup and empty it. Also check and make sure that the flapper door is not stuck or open. Open the lid and remove the separator from the dirt cup. Take a paper towel and wipe any dirt and debris from the metal mesh screen. If your filter is dirty, rinse it in warm water and let it dry completely for 24 hours. Next, we're gonna go check the nozzle for any clogs. Disconnect the nozzle from the pole. To remove the brush roll, use a coin or a flathead screwdriver to unlock the brush roll on the side of the nozzle. Once it is unlocked, pull the brush roll out of the side. If you see any objects in the nozzle, remove them and wipe out with a paper towel. If there is hair wrapped around the brush roll itself, find the easy cutting grooves in the brush roll and cut along with a pair of scissors. Remove the hair once it is cut out. Replace the brush roll by inserting it back into the side and use the coin or flathead screwdriver to lock it into place and put it back together. Next, remove the wand from your blade and make sure that there are no clogs. If there are any objects blocking it, remove them. If your ONEPWR blade is still not working, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.